Welcome to The Wanderers. Today, we have an oldie for you. We've dug deep in the archives and we're taking you back to 1999 for a thrilling ride on the classic Gremlins attraction at Movie World on the Gold Coast. Today, this location has been transformed into the Scooby-Doo Spooky Coaster, continuing the legacy of fun and frights. Gremlins, inspired by the hit 1984 film, was packed with animatronics and 80s charm. It quickly became a fan favourite and helped set the stage for the park's reputation for immersive, movie-themed experiences. Thank you for joining us on this nostalgic journey. We appreciate all of your support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favourite theme park memories.
Now, if they are happy with what they see, the film goes to editing right here in this building. If they are not, the film ends up on the cutting room floor and becomes what we call outtakes. What we are going to show you today are some of those outtakes. Okay, Bill, are we ready to roll?
Sure, anytime you are.
Okay, roll on. I'll be back to continue your tour when the screening is over.
Hi everybody, welcome to a Warner Brothers screening room. You know, making movies is much harder work than most people think. The hours are long and mistakes are costly, but they do happen. And when they do, they result in what we call outtakes. This is when something goes wrong after the camera starts rolling. Now for fun, we had our staff go into the archives and pull some of the old ones. And we have added some from our latest movies. Now, most of these outtakes have never been seen before by anyone but studio personnel. And as you will see, lots of things can happen. The most common bloopers occur when the goofy actors can't remember their lines.
Guess what? What? They made me a lead man. They said I was fast on my feet. McBride shook my hand. So I told him, I said, look, the line kept rolling by.
So I suggest you come quietly and immediately, or you're going to find yourself in more trouble. Some trouble? I want some trouble. Welcome to my hell.
I didn't catch your first name.
It's Rika.
Rika Van Hagen, like the ice cream.
Wagenhut.
Parker, I didn't catch your first name.
It's Rika.
Rika Van Hagen-Dazs.
Vandenhas. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm really
That's
sorry.
okay. It's all right. Everybody's all right. You're allowed one, and that was two.
Back to Wanda. When she comes over here and tries to storm into the office, what should you do then? Let's see. Let's do it again, okay?
Sometimes when all is going well, all sorts of unexpected foul-ups can ruin a take. It's not the actor's fault, but you still feel pretty silly.
You know what I told you? Get elevated. And how long is he going to take this job for? Well, he's going to be here in a minute. Oh, okay.
Most movie historians credit W.C. Fields with the ultimate warning to all actors: never work with babies or animals.
I remember, Bill, these are very serious scene. Very, very serious. Just at the funeral. Oh, jeez.
Give it to me.
Here, cut. Okay, that was the... Oh, cut. Okay. No, right. Oh, come on. All right.
I got it.
Okay.
Cut. Okay. Come on, Zoe. Come on. Come on, Zoe.
Zoe, come on.
Come on.
Oh, shut up. Ready?
I stole his pig. How long do you think to make me stay this time? I stole his pig. How long do you think to make me stay this time?
If you think we're all a little nutty today, You should see what went on at Warner Brothers back in the good old days.
I hear you're collaborating.
Well, I can't work around here. Oh, you're following me. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh.
How do you do? I'm very glad to see you. I knew as soon as I did it. Well, I don't care anything about your talent.
All we need is a fellow with weight enough, learn a couple of lines, and
We know it, monsieur, and we are going away in the hope that if you cannot forget it, forgive us.
What's that? Don't be afraid. It's only a little blood bank. Oh, lovely, lovely.
I'm going to be the best fruit and Spanish this paper ever has ever definitely gave it there.
Spend your time setting up new rackets. So that when the flower comes up for air, you'll find a dozen more guys.
Or would you rather hear how I finished a 3-act play with one hand whilst making love to a Maharaja with the toe? Maggie, you know that one of my cardinal principles is never to interfere in anybody else's life.
Don't look at me and say that. I say that Felix needs to man at 100 a month to live here. You girls would screw. Now, Big Chief, come on, let's go into the pee-pee and have a...
I loved you from the first minute I saw you, and you knew it. You tried to.
No. All right, march to ground quarters. Ground quarters. What the hell is ground quarters?
How do you do, Mr. President? A pleasure indeed, sir. Danny, you handle that cigar like a monkey handles a coconut.
I beg your pardon.
Mr. President.
Now, you folks, let somebody rub this man here that knows how.
All right, Joe.
You bastard, you.
Who was that? I don't know. What do you mean you don't know? Well, I've seen him around.
Seen him around where? Nice little park you have here. If you like bananas. Millions more, millions more. Oh, what the hell am I saying?
Help me, please, God, help me. I'm caught on his Can't take any chances now.
Chances? What's all the emergency about?
Just had a baby in the ladies' room. Sometimes I think we talked away everything that ever meant anything to us.
Oh, not everything.
Why, even the woman you went to, after you committed the murder, she'll go against you. She'll sacrifice herself to sacrifice somebody to... All right.
Now listen to me, all of you. You too. Independent fire, so you're undercover.
I'm not sure, but probably.
There it goes. Here we are, senor, from soup to nuts.
You think that? darling. That was beautiful. You surprised me.
How did you get in here? Get out!
I'm terribly sorry. Now we must vacate this building as quickly as possible. The Gremlins have escaped from the film vault. Good heavens, they've taken over the front lobby and the projection room. This time, Steve, we will have to go out the back way. Oh, yes, that's right. They're auto vents throughout the building. We can take one of those through the film vault to the rear-exit. Yes, now remember, they're controlled by state-of-the-art electrical limits and will have absolutely nothing to worry about. Everything will be fine. Oh, no. Bill? Oh, no. Ladies and gentlemen, collect all of your belongings and follow me as quickly as you can.
Oh, no. Just an attack of gremlinitis.
Well, how did you get it then?
Well, some gremlins got out of their cans in the film vault. They started opening more cans. Accidentally opened one of mine. Well, lucky for you. Nice.
So you have to stand up. You can find the next one.
You ready? Yes.
Bring over there, be safe, and just hold on tight and pick up something else. Oh, yes, seatbelts, everybody. Put those seatbelts on. What? Is there a seatbelt?
For a little spin, huh? Have you got good job? No, I'm asking.